All right, the next stock we're going to be taking a look at is OPHT. This one, again, was picked over on investorshangout.com, the dip and rip board, if you follow big boards, bigger stocks. So just go up to the top right-hand corner, and you type in dip, the NASDAQ dip and rip board to come up. Check out this board. This is where this pick is coming from. And right now, when he mentioned this, let me pull that up for you guys. So he mentioned this morning at 9:12. I want to look at it, make sure I was looking at that date right. Yes, this morning, the close eye on OPHT. Really, really good job. He had a gap up off of there. Actually, I'm sorry, a gap up right here on the 9th, and then a drop off. He's taking a look at this one. Why? The bottom bounce. Okay, OPHT. Keep an eye on a bounce coming up from $4.98 in the short term. I think that you're probably going to see a bounce because right now you've basically had that confirmation of being like steadying out, okay? Finding bottom for the most part. You're at a support line right now at a bottom, okay? It was at all-time low. Yeah, all-time low right now. Unless it tapped it on yesterday. Let me see. Low $5.02. No, you hit it today. So at all-time low right now, coming off that low, OPHT. Keep an eye on this one. Fits. I think that you might find something here coming off this bottom for OPHT. Currently down today, $2.92%. And, you know, just over on the 9th, you were hitting a high of $40.34. Massive, massive drop. I'm sure Joe probably sees exactly why. All right, so they fell off for that. What we're looking at now, I'm going to go ahead and say this one's probably going to go up in the next few days. Okay, a little bit of a recoil coming off that bottom. So, Joe, what do you got to add to it? What happened?
Ophthotech announces results from pivotal phase 3 trial of Ophthotech in wet age-related macular degeneration. So they announced bad results. So not bad results, but yeah, I would say so. No benefit observed upon additional phosphodil to monthly Lucentis regimen for treatment of wet age-related macular degeneration. And then they had a conference call that day. So I don't know what was discussed in the conference call. But today they announced that pre-specified primary endpoint mean change in visual acuity at 12 months was not achieved in its pivotal phase 3 clinical trials investigating the superiority of Ophthotech anti-PDGF therapy in combination with Lucentis anti-VEGF therapy compared to Lucentis monotherapy for the treatment of wet age-related macular degeneration. So that's that.
Yep. Hey, you know what? There's always a story, right? I mean,
Yeah.
There's a reason why this stock went from $40 down to $4.97. So now you're at $4.97. It dropped down just 1 penny since we started looking at it. Like I said, that doesn't really mean too much to me right now. But we're looking over what happened the last 3 days of going sideways now, hoping that you found bottom. If you found bottom, I'm thinking you did. Maybe tap down to 480. That is just speculation on my part because right now you're at an all-time low, literally 497 all-time low for the stock off of no benefits from their trial, right, Joe? So
yeah, because their description, right? They're a biopharmaceutical company specializing in development of novel therapeutics to treat back of the eye diseases with a focus on developing innovative therapies for age-related macular degenerations. Ophthotech's most advanced product candidate. So this is basically, that was their most, advanced product candidate, Ophthotech anti-PDGF therapy, is in phase 3 trials for the combination of anti-VEGF therapy. Represents the current standard of care for treatment of that. They have a second product as well. Ophthotech's second product candidate, Zimura, an inhibitor of complement factor CF is being developed for the treatment of geographic atrophy, a form of dry AMD, and in combination with anti-VEGF therapy in wet AMD patients. So, I mean, they still have this other product, you know what I mean? So it seems like these were the two. So I could see where it would drop like that. I mean, especially if that was their main, like, you know, product that they were shooting for, I guess you could say.
Right.
But I mean, they have this other one too. So you gotta basically go see what's up with Zumura. How's that going?
Mm-hmm. Right, but I mean, there's something that can lead you into one thing, lead you into another, and then you're like, where did I start? You know, I mean, there is a lot to look through, especially with these bigger stocks. I mean, like you said, Joe, this isn't an OTC stock. There's a lot more to look through. So that is stock ticker symbol OPHT. That's just hangout.com/live to check out our next live stream.